So I've walked into this office on this Friday night call out, and late evening call out in London. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 toilets here, and they are blocked up quite badly. You can see that, I'll flush. They fill up, and I think I found the cause. I don't think this guy used enough toilet paper. Obviously I'm being sarcastic. Fill. Bit of a spicy one there. And that one's empty. This is the last one. Empty. So these cupboards that you see behind the toilets here, they do pop off. However, I do have access, walk-in access behind there, so I'm going to pop off an inspection now, and hopefully we can clear this. But who does that? How much toilet paper do you need to wipe your ass? Anyway, I'll shoot to the other side and then show you guys. So this is the access behind. So the toilets are all on that side. We're now at the back of the toilets. They all join at this Y junction into the main stack. So what I plan to do is I'm going to pop this off, because if they're all completely blocked, it has to be blocked somewhere here. Obviously it's not just joined at each junction that picks up at the toilets, so if they're all blocked, it has to be blocked somewhere here. So we might be able to make light work of this, especially on a late Friday night. Let's get this open. The main stack will be clear, so that's okay. Main stack is clear, as I was expecting. So I've got this rod that's got a bit of a bend, may make my life easier. In there quite tight. Go baby, go. I can't tell if the rod's going up that direction. I'm going to get another rod. So I've added another rod to the one I had, just trying to get it in and out. The rod doesn't like this angle. So it seems I'm having no luck there. Can hear water slowly flowing, so what I'm going to do is let the toilets fill up with water by flushing them, and then I'm going to try a plunger, see what it does. So that's it. Trying to see if we can use some kind of the water to force down. So the fuller they are, the more water weight there is. So that one's completely full. Let's just get a bit of water in this one. Okay. We've got a bit of weight behind them. Maybe I'll shoot to that toilet next door and then see what we can do from here. I think this is the one that's closest to that junction. I do understand that we're plunging on the stack. But all I'm trying to do is move the blockage further down to a place where I can access it. So even if this doesn't clear it, it may just push it closer. Can hear something bubbling. It's just bubbling over here slightly. Okay, all nice and full. I'm going to get this one up a bit. There you go. Gone. So the trick there was, I know everyone says you can't plunge a toilet if it's joined with 7 others. However, the weight of the water and the plunge can often just dislodge the blockage. So, well, according to my findings, anyway. What do I know? I'm just a plumber, not a scientist. So I'll go around the back now and check, and just have a look and see what's going on. So, can you hear it all flowing? Which is good. I'm going to close up here again, pack these rods away, or clean them and then pack them away. And then, seems like a job well done. At least these guys can use this toilet tomorrow and going forward. Tighten this up. Then I'm gonna head off back up home. Takes me about an hour and a half to get home, so it's been great. A little bit of the plumbing in the UK. Chilled water. This is probably for AC units and heating, cooling, all sorts. So yeah, anyway, cheers.